I'll make you the presenter. Yeah,
Yeah.
it's fine, right? Form builder, is it open? We'll try to
Form.
open. Yeah, this 10G version.
Hmm.
So we'll just open. Uh, actually, before starting with Oracle Forms, I'll just give you the background.
Yeah.
This Oracle apps, whatever is the ERP, no, that was built using
Hmm.
forms and reports. Okay, so the initial version
Okay.
for forms and report was D2K, Developer 2000 Forms and Reports. Okay,
Okay.
after
Hmm.
that,
Hmm.
at that point of time, Oracle apps was not
Hmm.
there. So it used to be a
Okay.
standalone, like we used to build forms and report as a standalone system. We were not attaching it to, we were
Hmm.
not attaching it to Oracle application because Oracle apps was sent there that point of time. After that, Oracle 6i came
Okay.
and Report 6i. Using Oracle Form 6i and Report 6i, Oracle Apps ERP was built. Okay, so whatever forms you
Okay.
can see
Hmm.
in Oracle Apps standard forms, those are built using Oracle
Hmm.
Form Builder. And similarly, for reports, you must have seen some standard reports and all. So some reports are built
Yeah.
using .SQL report, that is SQL report. Some are built using Oracle reports, that is Oracle
Hmm.
Report Builder. And now, when 11i got migrated to R12, so
Hmm.
we have got XML Publisher as well. So few reports are built using XML Publisher.
Publisher.
Okay. So
Yeah.
can you tell me what is the difference between form and report?
Yeah. Difference between form and report.
Hmm?
Hmm. Forms are basically like uh, I mean, we can update. I mean, if you want to update in the database,
Mm-hmm.
yeah, tables. If you want to insert something, then we will use forms.
Okay.
Whereas in the reports, it's like we can retrieve the data and send to someone.
Yeah. So reports is like retrieving the data, publishing the data, right?
Yeah,
And in forms also you can retrieve the data, and
yeah,
also you can fill the form just like in internet. Like when you try to open your mail account, you need to you
yeah.
need to fill some details, right? So that is
Yes, yes.
form only. So you are
Yeah,
filling the detail and clicking on submit button. On clicking of a submit button, data is getting saved to the database, right?
database.
Right.
Yeah,
So that is form. So here
yeah.
data can be inserted, updated, deleted, as well as
Deleted.
queried.
Yeah.
So from one form you can call another form. So those things also you can do using Oracle forms. Okay.
Okay. Yeah.
Okay. So this is our form builder. So this main screen we
Mhm.
call it as object navigator screen. Okay.
Yeah.
On the top you can see it's object navigator, and
Mhm.
here you can see this is the form. Top node is the form, and this is the form name. Default name is coming as
Mhm.
module 1. So this is
Yeah.
the form name. So this, since this is based on OOPS concept, we can say like all the component which is there inside the form, that is module 1, we call it as an object.
Mhm.
Okay.
Okay.
So you have a
Huh.
trigger, you have alerts, attached library, data block, canvas, blah blah blah. Okay.
Mhm.
So these are called as objects. And see, like there is a difference when you build a form using Oracle application standard, or building based on non-Oracle application standard. There's a different way
Okay.
of developing the form based on Oracle app standard and non-Oracle app standard. right?
Okay.
So
Yeah.
since we have to since we are taking the Oracle application course, we'll be discussing
Hmm.
Oracle forms based on Oracle application. Okay.
Okay.
So
Hmm.
what we are going to do is like we'll develop some form and we'll try to register in Oracle application, and we'll see like on registering the Oracle apps form whether we are able to
Hmm.
open the form or not. Okay.
Okay.
So
Hmm.
normally, like in workflow, you have seen, right? Whatever workflow we were building, it had
Hmm.
an extension, right? What was that
Yeah.
extension?
WF M
M.
WFS. No, it's WF
It's WFT.
FT. Yeah. Sorry.
Okay, workflow type.
Yeah. Workflow type. Yeah.
And how about RDF?
RDF.
Yeah.
That's the extension, right?
What is the full
RTF
form?
is there. RTF is there. RDF is there.
RDF full form?
Uh, I don't know the full form. Report development form, I guess.
No, it's report definition.
Okay. Report definition.
And RTF?
RTF is. No, I don't know the definitions actually. I mean, I don't know the full forms of that.
You should know, right?
Okay.
Because
Yeah.
and it's rich text format.
Yeah. Sorry, that I know. RTF is
Okay.
rich text format. Yeah.
Yeah. So these are few extensions you should know.
Hmm.
Okay. And
Yeah.
in reports, like we were just building the .rdf file and we were placing
Yeah.
in the server location, right? We were not
Yes. Yes.
compiling it. We were just placing
Yeah.
the file. In forms,
Yeah.
similarly in forms, you have to build .fmb file. What is .fmb? Any idea?
No.
It's form builder. Okay.
So, full form is form builder.
Yeah, .fmb. It's form builder.
FMB.
Yeah. And once we build the form, we need to compile the form as well. So once you compile it, .fmx gets executed. FMX gets created. Sorry. So FMX is form executable.
Yeah.
Okay. So
Yeah.
these are few basic things which you need to know. Now, like I'll tell you the steps. How do we build a form in Oracle application? Okay.
Okay.
So first thing, what you have to do is you need to get the template.fmb form. Did you remember when we were building the manual workflow? There was
Yeah.
There was a standard workflow called WF standard, right?
Hmm.
So we were taking the functions, start events and end event from there, and we were putting
Yeah.
in our custom
Custom one.
workflow,
Yeah.
right? So similarly,
Yeah.
in Oracle, in forms, like when you have to build an Oracle forms based on related to Oracle application, there is a standard form on the server, template.fmb. First, you need to get that template.fmb from the server, open that in your form builder and start building your custom form on top of that template.fmb. You change the name of that template.fmb to something else, custom form name, and you build your form on that template.fmb.
Okay.
So we are going to see like how do we do that. Okay, so this is very important thing. So once you build your form based on template.fmb, then you need to put your executor, you need to compile your form. You need to compile your form and put it onto the server location. Suppose you want to place your form in receivable application. So you need to go to that receivable application path, and over there you have to place your .fmx file. I'll tell you the location where exactly we need to place the file. Once you have put your fmx file over there, then
Hmm.
how you'll get to know, like how you're going to open that form? Any idea?
Actually, we won't run the form, right? I mean, we will.
Just like a report is there, right? You are
Yeah, but
placing the .rdf on the server. Here we are placing the executable file on the
FMX.
server, FMX
Yeah.
file. So how
Yeah.
in reports, what we do in order to run the report?
In order to run the report, we go to the what we call responsibility.
Hmm?
Then we'll give. I mean, first of all, we'll create a concurrent program for the report.
Yeah. So
Attach it to the responsibility. Then go to the responsibility and run the. Run the concurrent program.
so prior to that, we do the setup, right?
Yeah.
For reports. So same here for forms also, you need to do few setups.
Okay.
Okay. So once you have placed your FMX file onto the server, then what you can do is you have to go to application developer responsibility, and over there we have forms. You need to create a form over there. How to do that, I'll tell you. Once the form is created, then you need to create a function. Okay. So function, whatever form you have created, form needs to be attached to the function, and function needs to be attached to the menu, and menu is attached to the responsibility, and responsibility is attached to the user.
Okay.
Okay, I'll tell you the flow. This is application developer, right? So here you have something called application. Under application you have form, function, and menu.
Functions, menu.
So first we need to create a form. So whatever is our FMX file, no, same name you have to give over here. Okay. And application you have to give a receivable application. User form name, you need to give the description about your form. Okay, user defined name, and the description also remains same as the user form name. Once this form gets created, you need to create a function, right? So you go to the function, you'll create the function, give the same name whatever FMX is there, and give a user function name. And here you can see different tabs are there: description, properties, forms, and all. So you need to go to properties, and over there type is there, right? So you need to select form over here.
Okay.
Okay, this you need to select, and after that you need to go to form tab, and here you need to attach your form to the function.
Yeah.
Whatever you have created. Fine.
Yeah.
After that, there is a menu. You need to attach your function to the menu, right? First, form needs to be created. Form needs to be attached to the function. Function needs to be created. Function needs to be attached to the menu. Okay. So normally, if you see responsibility screen, menu will be there, right? Menu is attached to the responsibility. So you take a menu name for receiver, that is normally AR Navigate GUI. That is the menu name for receivables. So if you click on this, you can create your own menu, or you can attach your function to the existing menu as well, right? So suppose if we query AR Navigate GUI, this is the receivable menu name. You can see it's a transaction form and all, and here you can see function is there, right? So here you need to give, you need to create one row. You need to give the prompt name, that is your, what prompt should appear on clicking a form. Okay, and here you, whatever function you have created, you need to attach that function over here. Okay. So once this is done, this menu is an existing menu which is attached to responsibility screen. Then you can go to that responsibility and open. Here you can see your custom form. Okay, so on clicking that,
Other,
you
yeah.
will be able to see your form. Form will open.
Hmm.
Okay, so what we are going to do is we'll just create a form. So before that, we need to check few things. Uh, this is our form builder. I will go to properties and see whether the libraries are pointing. See here you can see start in. Start in is there, right?
Yeah.
So it's just like class path. Okay. So here all
Okay.
your libraries, all your form libraries are there in this path, and you need to set it over here. Library, whatever libraries are there, that path you need to set it over here. Okay. Otherwise, if you open template.fmb, it will refer few standard library. If this path is not set up, then it will throw lot of errors. Okay. So when you open template.fmb, it will refer this path for some libraries, and so that it won't throw error. Okay. So this is there. So we need to go to we need to get the template.fmb from the server, right?
Yeah.
Any questions you have now at any?
No. Right now it's fine actually. I'll just go through it.
Yeah. So where Oracle Apps is installed? Here.
Uh,
Yeah, this path only.
yeah.
D drive, Oracle Viz. We'll go to apps, apps ht, appl.
Apples.
Here in AU top template.fmb will be there. Okay.
Okay.
So we'll go to AU top. Here this is the version, and here you can see form is there. Where is form? Here, right?
Hmm.
So we'll go to this path.
Yeah.
Language is US, and here you can see all the .fmb files.
Yes.
Okay, these are standard .fmb. So what we are going to do is we need to search for template.fmb, right? So
Yeah.
we'll search template. Here it is
Got it.
there, right? So what we'll do is we'll copy this, and we'll create one more folder. We'll create, we have created for workflow over here, right?
Yeah.
So
Forms.
XX forms. Okay,
Yeah.
so this is our template.fmb. And after that, what we have to do is we have to open this. We have connected to database.
Yeah.
It's it's connected, na?
Yeah. It's connected.
I think it has hanged.
Is it?
Not able to do anything.
Let's. Yeah. It's got hanged.
Uh, can we close form and open it once again?
Yeah.
Go to desktop. Yeah. So we will just connect to database.
Apps with. What happened? It's taking a lot of time, right?
Yeah, it takes some time.
Yeah.
Yeah. So we'll try to open template.fmb.
Okay. D.
X6
Forms. A bit of.
this will close. So you can see over here red mark is there, right? It means
Yeah.
the standard one, standard Oracle
Okay.
apps. Whatever Oracle apps form is there, na, standard one, it will appear with this red mark. If we see the
Okay.
data block is also marked with red. And we have something called canvas also. Canvas is also marked with red. So now I'll tell you about what is data block and what is canvas. These are very important concepts. So we
Okay.
have, normally our form is based on some table or view, right? So our data block is based on view or a table, and
Yes.
canvas is just a layout, okay, where your data, how your data should appear. It will have a template of how the data should appear. So that is your canvas, and data block will have your data and query. Okay.
Okay.
So we have two types of data block. We call first as data block only, and second as control block. Okay. So data block, if anyone asks you what is data block is based on the database, table
Yeah.
or view, and control
Yeah.
block is not like it is not related to database. Okay. It suppose in a form you have few buttons and all. Okay.
Yeah.
So buttons and all needs to be created under control block, because buttons
Okay.
are not related to database, right? Uh,
Yeah.
uh, Only by click of a button it can interact with the database package and all, but that button itself is not present in a database table or view, right?
Yes. Yeah.
So normally in control block we create a control block and we place all the buttons and all. So items which are not related or connected to database, we keep it in a control block. Normally we should keep it like that. Okay. And the items
Yeah.
which are related to database, like you can say text item. Suppose you have a text column. Suppose I'll just open one of the standard canvas. You will see. See, this is one standard canvas which Oracle has provided. So over here you can see you have this text item, right?
Yeah.
So normally if you have employee table, okay, so you have different columns: employee ID, employee name, salary and all. So those columns can be displayed as a text item, right? And each text item, suppose three columns are there, three text items are there. One is for employee ID, second for employee name, third is for salary. Okay. So each text item will be related to each column of the table. Like one text will be related to employee ID, second should be related to employee name, third should be related to salary, right?
Yeah.
So this is related to the database. Similarly, there is a list item. Okay, it's kind of LOV kind of thing. On clicking that list item, you can choose whatever elements are there. You can select and choose. Okay.
Okay.
And similarly, you have something called display item. This is non-editable, similar to text item, but it is non-editable. It is only for display purpose.
Yeah.
Okay. And then you have something called checkbox. So checkbox is like what? Checkbox, suppose you have a database table, like some flag is there, one of the column in the table, Y or N. So that you can create it as a checkbox. If it is checked, it means Y. If it is unchecked, it means N. Okay. Similarly, you have some radio buttons and all.
Yes.
So this also can be related to the database table. Okay. So this, what you see is, this is a canvas. This is this is a tray where you have all your data placed. Okay, in a particular format, and these data are coming from data block.
Okay.
Okay.
From database.
Yeah. So what we'll do is, we'll just create one data block and a canvas, and there is a window also that will create, and we'll try to register it in Oracle Apps and see like how the output appears. Okay.
Yeah.
So what we'll do is, first step is, we'll change the name. How do we change? Double click over here, and here you can change the name. You can give some name, XX form. Okay. And this name got saved, and we can save it. XX form, here we can give the name. You can see the extension, right?
Yeah. FMB.
Yeah. Form builder. So we'll save it with this name. Okay. Now, these are predefined data blocks. So we have to create our own data block. So we'll go to data block, and here plus icon is there. We'll go and create. So you can create it using wizard and manually. So I'm just opting for wizard. Click on OK. This is a welcome screen. Click on next. My data block is based on a table. Okay. I'll select table, and here I can select a table name. I'll select some receivable name. RA, remember this table name?
Yeah, RA customer TRX all.
Right. So this got selected. So out of this, I want only 3 items to be displayed. Customer transaction ID, transaction number, and
Data book ID.
Type ID. These 3 are enough. Okay. Just for the demo purpose, I'm taking these 3 columns. And click on next. And here also click on next. Here you can give your data block name. Suppose same name I'm giving. It is coming from the table name. On finish. So now it is asking for the layout as well. So layout is what? Your canvas. So you need to create your canvas. Your data is prepared. Now canvas needs to be prepared. Click on next. Here you can see the canvas. So many standard canvas which is there in the form, right? Calendar, time zone, app core, property. But I have to create a new canvas, right? So I'll go and click on new. You can place your fields on the existing canvas as well, but I want a fresh canvas. Okay. So you have different types of canvas. Content canvas, stack canvas, vertical, horizontal, and tab. Content canvas, what I showed you. Okay. That canvas is called as content canvas. Stack canvas, like on the content canvas, stack canvas is in placed. It's a short, like normally what you see, some help message, small window canvas comes, right? So normally on a content canvas, suppose if you click on a button help, small window opens, giving the note, some message and all. So that we call it as a stack canvas. Okay. So then we have something called vertical toolbar and horizontal toolbar. So suppose like if you have a canvas and you have all the buttons on the top, okay, that we place it on a horizontal, that we'll see, like rest of the canvas we'll see like how it behaves. Vertical toolbar and horizontal
Okay.
toolbar, I'll tell you. And tab is tabular canvas. Okay. Multiple tab pages will be there.
Okay.
Understanding?
Yeah.
Vertical toolbar and horizontal toolbar, I'll just show like when you see the canvas, no, then you'll get to know like how it will appear. Just for the time being, get to know that there will be something called horizontal toolbar and vertical toolbar. You can place your buttons on the horizontal toolbar as well as on the vertical toolbar. Okay. So now we are
Okay.
selecting the content canvas. We click on next button.
Okay.
And here it is asking me like this is my data block items. What all columns you want to display it on your canvas? I want to display all the items. So I'll select this
Yeah.
and click on next. And here you can adjust the height and width and all. So, and this is the prompt name. This is my column name and this is the prompt name. Okay. So you can change it based on your standards. So column name is coming from the table, so it is non-editable, right? It should be non-editable. So it is coming
Yeah.
grayed out. So here click on next.
That is like display name.
Yeah, it's kind of display. Okay.
Display name. This is text field.
These are not form objects. It's just the name which is coming. Okay. So you can change the prompt name over here. And since this is the column of the database table, we cannot change the column name here, right? So it is coming as grayed out. Okay. So that is there. Click on next. And here I want the data to appear in a tabular format. Means multiple records should come. Form, one record will come at a time. I want tabular records. I'll click on tabular and next. And here you can give the frame name. I'll give transaction details. And how many records you want it to appear? 10 records. And you can display a scroll bar. Okay, if more records are there, you can use a scroll bar and you can see other records as well. And distance between record is like 0, means all the columns should appear with no gap in between.
Yeah.
Okay, so I'm giving a 0. Click on next and finish. So here, this is my canvas. This is my data got created. So now what I'll do, I'll adjust few things. I'll extend this. You need to adjust a bit. But before that, see, here you have 3 columns, right? Customer transaction ID, and this is your label. This is your text item. Okay. So top one is your.
This is my text item.
This one, see, if you click on this also, this is also your text item. Okay, but this is coming from this is coming from the database. I'll show you. I'll show you. This is my property palette, and here if we scroll down, here you can see the column name is mapped to customer transaction ID.
Yeah.
Okay, and from which table? I'll show you. We'll go to Object Navigator. This is my block got created, right? Data block. One thing you just note down, here you don't have the red marker, whatever we have created. So we want it to be, now it means that it is not related to app standard currently. We want to make it app standard. So what we have to do is double click on this data block, this is the property palette screen. So once you, each object of the forms will have its property inspector, what we can say.
Yeah.
There you can adjust the property of an object. So here you have the data block name, and this data block is based on this table. You can see over here,
Yeah.
query data source type, it is coming from the table, and what is the table name? RA customer transaction on. Okay. So this is the table data block. Under data block, it has items like customer transaction ID, TRX number, and customer TRX type. So all those items are mapped to the column of this table.
Okay.
Okay. So now now I want to make it app standard. So we have something called subclass information. So we have to select, since this is a data block, we need to go to property class, and over here we need to select data block. This is block we have to select. So once you select this, and this is our form name, if you click on OK, what it means, this custom block, whatever we have created, it is inheriting the property from the Oracle Apps block.
Okay.
Okay. Subclass is to inherit.
Inherit. Yeah.
Yeah. So my data block has inherited the property from this Oracle Apps block. So once we do that, you can see some arrows and all is coming, black arrow.
Yeah.
So these are some inherited property which has come from Oracle Apps block, standard blocks. If you scroll down, few more got inherited. Okay, now what you can see, red mark is coming, right?
Yeah.
Similarly, this was for data block. Similarly, for the item also you do that. You can select, you can do a multi-select. And go to the property palette. Right click, property palette.
Property palette.
Oh, one got selected only. Okay. You can do a multi-select, or you can something like I have not selected it properly. So one by one also you can do that. Go to subclass information, property class, and here text, since it is a text item, right?
Yeah, this is a text item.
So you can select, see all LOVs, list, everything is there. Text item is there. So you select text item and click OK. So see here all the black arrows are coming, right?
Yeah.
So similarly, if you see over here, this text got created. So once you do that, if you see the layout, what you have created, this is your canvas. See, transaction number is coming as per app standard. It is appearing differently, right? As compared to this and this. Similarly, if we do this and this, it will also appear in the same way. You can select these two and double click. So this is multi-select. Here you can see name is coming as star star star. So it is a multi-select what I have done. So go to subclass information. Select item, text item.
Text item.
Click on OK. Okay. So now you'll see all are coming in the same. Similarly for prompt item, we'll see this prompt, whatever is there.
Property palette.
So this is subclass information, text is there, already there. It's fine. So no need to do that. So here you can see everything is coming in this form.
Yeah.
So now my data block is based on app standard. My database items are also in app standard, right?
Yeah.
So database block has got 3 database items: customer transaction
Yeah.
ID, transaction number, and
Transaction
customer
number,
transaction type
customer
ID.
transaction type ID.
So now you can see the canvases. These are some predefined canvases. Our canvas name is this one, canvas 105. So here you can see it is not marked as red.
Red.
So we need to mark it as red, right? So we'll go to the property palette of canvas, go right click, sorry, right, right click, property palette, and here it
Subclass
is
information.
subclass information. What we have to choose now?
This is canvas, right?
So what we should choose?
This one last canvas.
Yeah. So choose canvas, click on OK. So here your canvas got created, right?
Yeah.
So now
And the frame.
what? Yeah, frame.
Frame.
Frame also you can subclass. I'm not sure whether frame. Yeah. We'll just see the canvas. So what we have to do is we'll just adjust few things. We'll extend this.
This is like screen, right?
Yeah, this is screen, and here also this is my frame. So we'll just extend this. Okay.
Yeah.
So this is my form, tabular form, right?
Yeah.
So now one more things we have to do. We have to create a window. Here you can see some few windows are there. So normally window will come on top of window, canvas will be there. On top of canvas, data will be there.
Okay. First window will be there. On top of window there is canvas. On top of canvas it is database.
Yeah. Right.
Okay.
So here you can see some predefined windows. Okay.
Yeah.
And you can see if I select this one of the window, here canvas is getting attached.
Yeah.
So, and the canvas, if you go to canvas, canvas is also attached to a window. Both ways we do. See,
Okay.
currently whatever, see, this block name is a canvas. If you go over there, go to property palette.
Block name window.
Window, where is it? This one.
Here. Yeah.
So both ways, in Windows you need to attach canvas, and in canvas you have to go and attach window. Okay.
Window. Okay. Yeah.
Both ways you have to do. So now what we have to do is we have to create a new window. Select this and click on this green icon.
Yeah.
So our window got created. We can give some name. Okay, and we need to attach our canvas name. We'll
rename the canvas as well.
Yeah. First we'll do a subclass over here.
This window, right? Window.
This normal window will do.
Yeah. So, is there anything like we need to go for window? We have few more options, right?
Yeah, dialog window is there. It's a small window. Like when you try to save a particular thing, so dialog window opens. Do you want to save it? Yes, no, cancel. So it is for that. Okay.
Yeah.
So normally window and dialog window is enough.
Okay.
So now we'll change the name for our canvas.
Okay. It's canvas.
And we'll attach the, currently it is at default, it is attached to this window. So we'll change it to XX window. Similarly, what we have to do now?
In window also we need to attach the canvas.
Yeah.
XX. Yeah.
So this is attached. Now we have something called triggers.
Yeah.
See, these are some predefined triggers. Okay. Whatever is marked as red, it means app standard. Okay. So there is one trigger called when new form instance. Okay.
Yeah.
What it means, like when form opens, this is the first trigger which is going to get executed.
Okay.
Okay. So you can see I have so many blocks, okay, and so many windows, but I want my newly created block should execute first and rest should not be visible. Right? So there is a inbuilt called go_block. What is our block name? RA customer transaction all, no?
Yeah.
Okay. And okay, what we'll do is for the time being, we'll just execute this and I'll run it and I'll show you the difference, like how it works.
Yeah.
I'll do a compile module. Compile module means Control T. It will compile the entire form.
Okay.
See, it got compiled. So we'll go and see the path whether FMX got created or not. So you can see the FMX got created 1126. Right? Now what is our next step? We'll place this FMX on server.
Yeah.
So we need to place it on receivable module. So instead of AU top, we'll go to AR top.
Yeah. Yeah.
So normally what happens? This AR is the standard AR forms will be over here. Okay.
Yeah.
So normally if you are working in project, you will have the custom folder. XX folder will be there. Under XX you will have AR, AP, everything will be there. So under XX, go to AR and place your FMX over there under XX AR module. Okay. Since here we don't have the custom folder, so those are normally maintained by DBA guys. Okay, apps DBA. So here we will directly use the standard one and we'll go to forms, and here you can see in US folder you will have all the executables FMX.
Yeah.
So we'll place our own. Alright. So we have built the form, we have got the executable, we have placed it on the server. Now what we have to do?
Now we have to first we'll have to register the form in from front end.
So how to do?
We'll go to just a moment. In application developer.
Okay.
Applications. Form. Okay.
Login page will come, no?
Press OK to log in another page, right?
Or we'll just log out and log in once.
Yeah. Operations welcome. Hmm.
Oh, separate one.
First we'll close the rest, then we'll go with separate one.
Wait,
Okay, press OK. Ah man.
wait 1 second. Straight away.
Yeah. In applications,
Go
form,
to form. We'll,
give a form.
we'll give the same name.
Form, yeah.
What
Application.
application? What we have to give?
A
Yeah. So receivables,
receivables.
and we'll give our custom some user defined name I'm giving.
Yeah. Same as description. Save.
Now
Create the function.
what we have to give?
Function same as our form name.
Need to go to property.
Please
Type
select the form. Then go to forms. Select our XML form. XX. Yeah.
this. We are attaching form to the function.
Function. Yeah. Save.
Now we need to go to. I'll just take the. I'll show you.
Hmm.
You go to responsibility, and over here you can see
Receivables.
you have the common menu for receivables.
Yeah.
If you
Okay.
navigate, like AR Navigate GUI is the common one. Normally we use that one. So I'll use the first one only.
Hmm.
Okay. This is my menu name.
Okay. So for menu name, we need to get it from there.
Yeah. So this is my application developer.
Applications.
I'm not
Go for
creating a new menu. I'm attaching it to the existing one.
Yeah.
So here you can see all the details are there related to AR. So now here I have to attach my function.
Yeah.
So I can give custom prompt name.
Yeah.
This is function, right? So from here I need to select my function.
Yeah. custom. Yeah, that's the one.
and save it.
Submitted to recompile.
Yeah. So now go to receivable modules.
Receivable, relationship folders.
So here you can see.
Yeah.
So now try to open it. Here you can see our form, and you can do a control F11 to see your data, right? But you can see a few more windows are opening from behind. So I want to restrict this window, right?
Yeah.
I don't want this to appear. So I need to hide these windows. So what I have to do is I'll close this form. I'll go to this
Figures.
venue form instance. When the form opens only, right? I want to close.
Yeah.
There's a hide underscore window. One is block name, and there's one more which I want to hide by chance if it comes. App core underscore properties. Right? I'll compile it, Control T. So I'll just see the path whether FMX got created. 1135. Yes, it is there. Before that, yeah, I have to place it there. No? So my form is closed. Sorry. So I'll go and copy this, place it onto the server.
Yes.
Right? Now I'll open it once again. I'll do a reset and try to open. So your one form is opening only, right?
Yeah. Control F11.
Yeah. What?
Control F11.
Yeah, you can give Control F11 to see your data, right?
Yeah.
So if you do F4, F4 closes your form. So this is working as per Oracle App Standard.
Yeah.
If you do if you do F4, it closes. So and if you try to do a search, Control F11, so it is fetching the data from the database.
Yeah.
Right? Is it fine?
Yeah.
Any confusion you have or any question at this point of time?
No, actually, only one thing is there. I mean, you said this. Wait a minute. Yeah, in the triggers, it should be if red mark is there, that's in app standard.
Yeah.
Otherwise, it's not app standard. Still, it's working, right?
Yeah, it will work.
Okay.
Okay. So this also, see, if you click on this and try to do a property palette, subclass information is zoom. Okay. Similarly, if you do venue form instance and try to see,
Nothing in there.
subclass is not there, right? Do you have venue form instance? it's not there. These are provided by Oracle. We can't edit also. Okay.
Yeah.
Can't edit for subclass through object group. So if you go view, this is object. Object is module is app standard, block 1 and all. So instead of property class, we'll try to do object. Here is our form only. So here object name zoom is there. Form navigate.
New form record, new record instance.
When new form instance is not there. Okay. So so like see, we are most of the things we are inheriting from Oracle apps, and rest we can customize in the form as well.
Okay.
Okay, so that is what I've done. Any other question?
No, that's fine now.
So what is trigger according to you?
Trigger is like if any event occurs,
Yeah.
then it will fire an alarm kind of thing actually.
Yeah, it's just like PL SQL triggers.
Triggers, yeah.
Okay. Some action happens, if some event happens, some action needs to be performed.
To be performed, yeah. That's
So
correct.
we have chosen when new form instance, that is an event. So when form opens, so I want to go to my block name, whatever I have created. I want to hide few windows which are predefined.
Predefined, yes.
Okay, so that is my action.
Yeah.
Okay, so that is what I have done.
Yeah.
So like what I can expect from you is you can practice this particular form. Okay.
Yeah.
Do from end to end, from
Yeah.
scratch. Download template.fmb and do the development and do a compilation, put it onto the server, register it in Oracle apps and see whether your form is opening properly or not. Okay. So what I'm planning to do is like, see, do you want me to continue or shall I stop here so that you can practice this much whatever I have explained it to you?
Yeah, I mean, if it is like...
Hello? Hello? Hello?